Good morning. How's everybody doing? Let's get this started. Today we're going to be trading some futures. Futures NASDAQ on prop firms. Top step to be exact. Okay. We're going to get started here. What we're going to do first is I'm going to take this, hide this. I'm going to delete everything on my chart. Delete everything on my chart for one. We'll go to the daily chart. Let's see. Clean chart now, nothing on it. Okay, we're here. Okay. So let's look for a high that hasn't been taken out. This hasn't been taken out yet. It's the previous day high that we haven't taken out. This is previous day low. So that's a draw on liquidity. The previous day high is a draw on liquidity. Previous day low. This will be our opening price right here. That's where the candle opened up. That's where the daily candle opened up. That's my opening price. 4 hour. Let's look at this. We see this 4 hour right here holding. It's fair value gap. Right there. If you're not sure what fair value gap is, just look that up. It'll should be a lot of videos on it. Fair value gap right here, or imbalance, or whatever, and then we're holding that pretty strong. So that's we're looking kind of bullish right now. That's it on that. Go to the 1 hour. Let's see. No fair value gaps here. No fair value gaps there. Nothing really to mark out on the 1 hour. Okay. Well, what I am going to do is mark this out. We do have one up here. I'm going to mark that one out. Okay. Nothing here on the 1 hour. Let me see. I'll mark this one out. Since we're holding it. That one lined up with this order block here. Okay. Let's check this out. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna measure this from the top of this range to the bottom of this range. So this, all this right here, we're in the middle of this. So we're gonna mark what are we in the middle of. We're in the middle of this range, and we are at 0.705, 0.79. We didn't quite get there. We're pretty close. Once we start getting past that is what I'm expecting it to just keep going and to take that out. Okay, we're still here, so I'm still kind of waiting, but it's looking like we're gonna come up here as of right now. So I'm gonna leave that there for now. Let's go to the 15-minute here. Okay, we do got a gap that we're at now. Right here. 15. Let's see what else we got. Got that one that we're holding as well. I'm gonna mark this little one here. Right there. And I'll mark that one. Okay, so those are the ones we have. 15, I'll mark a little bit more because I like it a little bit more as far as bounces off the fair value gaps. So we're in this little 15 now. So we'll see how that works out. Let's look for the midnight open. Midnight open right here. Got a London low, London high. We took out London high. Let's mark out this London low right here. London low. Asia low's down here. We haven't taken that out either. So we're gonna mark out Asia low as well. Okay. So that's what we're looking like. Let me see here one more time. Let's see. Just looking, checking how it looks out. See if there's any potential of it being able to go down lower. Let's see here. Got some equal lows right here, looks like. Gonna mark that out. Liquidity for some equal lows. 5 minutes till market opens. Check out, see if we have any news right now. Let's see. No news today. All right. Okay. Also, let's see. One last thing. Look at this gap. New day opening gap here. Settlement right there. That's about all we're gonna have right there. See what happens now. Put it on 1 minute and see what we get. See what we get. Like to see it close past this 15 here. Maybe a retrace back into the 15 and then we could maybe take it lower. We'll see. But that's kind of what I'm looking at to see. But we're just gonna go and do whatever the market tells us, whatever it wants to do. If this one closes past the 2, that'll let us know as well. So 1 hour over here. Now we're looking at the ES and just kind of quickly seeing what's going on here on the ES and what it's looking like. I'm still holding that 4 hour 2. Okay. Okay, let's see. See what happens. not moving as much as it was yesterday. These moves are not as big. Candles aren't as much. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. So this means I'll probably size up a little bit. Back to normal. About 1 minute left to market open. Market's opening right now. We did get a close past that. Now we're back into it. See if we want to drop. See if we get an entry to go down. Expecting it to go lower. Gonna get my fib. This is where we opened up. Let's see. I'm gonna measure something. The whole gap. See what we want to do there. If we create a fair value gap here, then inverse it, may take it. Okay, we're coming up. Coming up here. Little 5 right there, we're inversing. Coming up high. See about this previous day high here. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Let's see what this is looking like right here. I just inversed it, came back to it. Expecting it to come down, to be honest, right now. We'll see. Expecting it to go down. But previous day high is right there. Even if we did inverse this, the stop would be so much, I wouldn't even want to take it. Because it's all about risk. I don't want to risk that much. Because if we inversed it, even if I got right there, 180, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know where the heck it's going to go. Just so much. And then the stop is not even as safe as I would like it. So we get it right there. Stop here. Yeah, I wouldn't want to. We got liquidity right here, so. So we are holding this inversion here that we went past, came back to it. Still holding it. $15, we closed past it. We came back to it, but we're gonna take out the high right here. We're too close to the previous day high for me not to think we're gonna take that out. So I'm thinking we're taking this previous day high out, which just makes the most sense, but we have settlement down here, this big gap from yesterday to today. Right when we opened, we just came up, left this big gap. The yellow line is the end of the gap. 50% is usually where we come back to and see something there. We did inverse this 15, so we're just waiting for everything to line up, waiting for this to line up with this, to line up with that, and execute on the 1 minute. But we need the 15 minute to, I guess, show us a little bit more. ES is looking pretty bearish too, so, and the draw on that is, you guys, how much of liquidity right here, low resistance liquidity right there on the ES, all that, so you better take that out. Okay, we invalidated this inversion right now, so that's gone. So now we're looking, it's like a light CISD right here. Changing state of delivery. We went up, came down, boom, made a lower high, and then we came down and broke this low right here. So this inversion doesn't look too bad going down. Just that the stop would be a little too much for me with not a super safe stop. Yeah, this about 180 tick stop, and the liquidity is right here. Especially it came down, inverse that, and we came up and took out the highs on the same candle, on the next candle. It's not showing too much of anything right now. Like it's not too sure where it wants to go. ES still looking bearish. We inversed it. It's pretty clean over here. Down, came back up to it, and we're rejecting off of it. Yeah. This is a order block entry if we want to go short. I'd like to see more confirmation. These two moves right here, this green candle and this green candle, is letting me know that we're stronger going up, and the small one here, small one here, small one here is looking like it's not as much as the freaking impulse of us opening up. But a lot of times going up is the manipulation. When we open up the market, we get a little manipulation, then we come down and do what we were meant to do the whole time. But rather just wait for this to clean up. Let's see. If we get an inversion here, it looks like it's probably gonna dump pretty good, at least 50% maybe. I mean, this liquidity's right here, right next to the 50%. So it wouldn't look out of the question once we invert this to go down to this 50% here, at least. Which is a 15-minute fair value gap as well. So that was the order block entry right there. I'll probably take this light size right here if it wants to come back up here. Let's see. I'd wait for it to come back into this.
Order filled.
Okay. So we're in there now. So we get a dump here. There's a 25048 entry. So we get to the 50%. Let's see if we can hold it down like ES is holding it down. See if this order block will hold here. Look like it's a strong candle here. Let it play out. Gonna let this play out. Look like I may get stopped out here.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got stopped out right there. Looked like a good entry to me. Could have kept my stop loss a little tighter on that one. Could have kept it a little tighter, but that's the one that made the most sense. So we'll just wait and see if we get another setup or not. Still like the downside right now. Still like the downside. Would like to see a stronger candles going down. Those look pretty good to me, inversing that, but we'll see. Just once it comes past this order block, and especially that one too, I don't want to be in it anymore. I could have my stop up here, but I just don't want to be in it past this. Okay. Took off up, hit that previous day high now. Okay. Took out the previous day high. Let's see. Wait for it to clear up a little bit. Nothing looks too crazy right now. There's a bearish candle right here. Just the stop's gonna be so much, dude. It's not even funny. We'll let it do what it needs to do. Let's see, we inverted this little one here. I just want to see on the higher time frame that we're actually trying to go lower. We did take the previous day high out. It's just I want to see a little bit more confirmation on the 5, something else. 1 hour. What do we got here? Did we gap fill the 1 hour? Almost. Let's see. Let's wait for this thing to clear up. But shorts do look pretty good still. I just kind of need to see a better move, better price action. This could be another entry here. It had to be real light size, or I'll just wait for it to retrace back into this fair value gap here. Wait for it to retrace into here if it wants to. Yeah. Might get in light size right here, we'll see. Let's let this get passed up. Get tapped back in here, we may get in. My stop wouldn't be that much though. So there is that short there. See what we get.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in there. Get in short right there. See how this works out real quick. 4.7 is our entry. 4.7. Stop is 101 for now. 101 for now. See if we can get down here, see what happens. Let this thing play out a little bit. Didn't get in too much size just because the stop's so huge. See where we want to go, if we're just going to chop up or we actually want to do a move now. like to see a dump now. We got room to the downside on both. So we have been holding this 15 though, but after we inverted this big 15 here, I'm expecting it to keep going down. Now just sit back and wait. See what we get. We could tap into here. See. Oh, might get stopped out again, dude, right here. Tapped in though, so we'll see how this reacts. I want to see this hold it. Yeah, that's what I want to see. That's what I want to see right here. That's what I want to see. Let's see. Good push down, be good right now. Big dump. See follow through. See some follow through. Stop is above this high now. Right here. Looks like we may not want to go down yet. I don't know. Still holding this inversion. Still holding the inversion right here, so I want to see a good impulse move down hard. What I like to see. Just managing our risk and seeing what we could do. About time for it to do something. It's about time for it to do something. I don't know what it's gonna do, but about time for it to do something. If we can get past this right here, that'd be good. This is a lot of choppy right here, but 15-minute we're still inversed and still holding this thing right here. 15 over here on the ES, looking pretty good, bearish. Yeah, let's get a good push down right now. See. Waiting patiently, that's it. Just wait. Whatever it's gonna do, just gonna stop me out, take profit, whatever, just do whatever. Yeah, I just want this to hold it now. I don't want it to wick. I just want it to hold it and stay a good bearish candle here. We get past this black line, even better. There it goes. Here we go. Looks good now. Looks pretty decent now. Let's see what we get here. Let's get it. Here we go. Let's see if we get it closed. Not quite. Almost. Let's see. Chopping around, huh? Adjusted my stop loss above this high right here, just to minimize risk, because I wouldn't want to see it come past that if it want to go down. Didn't quite get out yet. Stop was a little bit higher. Right there.
Order filled.
But I'm gonna get out there. I just don't like it. So okay. Just chopping around, man. Not really doing anything. Look at this. So being patient, trying to wait. I think I need to clean up first. If we get past this right here, I might take an entry right here. If we get past this, if we close past this, then tap back into this, I may take an entry. We still got a lot of ways to go on ES, NQ as well. But I want to see a close past this. Right now, just chopping away, so also if we get a close below this 5 minute right here, that would also be a good sign. Close past that would be good. If we get it at the same time, that'd be even better. A good close past this in 40 seconds. 30 seconds. Let's see if we get it. Not quite, not quite. On the 5 minute. Not quite. Okay, let's see here. If we get a good close past this, I'll take an entry. We have to have a good close past it though. And a return back into this. See if we get a return back into this.
Order filled.
Okay. 7-3. Stop loss. I'm gonna add 2 more there. Let's see where this goes. See if we get this one. Coming to this fair value gap here. See if we can hold.
Order filled.
1 more added. Yeah, I believe we're a good push down now. Let's see what we get. Let it play out. This one looks good. Looks real good. Let's see, get an expansion move down now. Let's see. Oh man, are we gonna close past this or not? 2, 1. Okay, we did it. We closed past it. That's good news. Good news there. So let's see if we can follow through with this and the 15-minute. Let's see what we got here. See what happens here. Not looking good. It's chopping up like crazy. We're chopping up like crazy. Yeah, we're about to get stopped out on my other one over here. Looked like a good freaking trade.
Order filled.
Order filled on that one. I can't do nothing about that one, man. Can't do nothing about that one. That's it on that, man. That's it. Guess we want to go up. Oh yeah. Anyways, man, I thank y'all for watching. I'll catch y'all next time. Alright, peace.